Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking in on one of true crime's most notorious figures, Charles Sobhraj. He terrorized the 1970 hippie trail, managed to evade capture time and again, and inspired Netflix's hit series The Serpent and Inspector Zende. But here's the real question. Where is Charles Sobhraj now? Let's break it all down. Charles Sobhraj was a French serial killer who preyed on Western tourists throughout South and Southeast Asia in the 1970s. Known for his charm, cunning, and striking ability to vanish from authorities, he earned nicknames like the Bikini Killer and the Serpent. His crimes were as bold as they were brutal, a true cat-and-mouse legend. Sobhraj served long prison terms in India and Nepal after multiple murders were proven. His life behind bars was marked by escapes, trials, and a fascination with his own legend. Documentaries, dramas, and books have since chronicled this dark legacy, captivating audiences around the world. Where is Charles Sobhraj now? As of today, Charles Sobhraj is a free man living in France. In December 2022, Nepal's Supreme Court ordered his release on health and age grounds after nearly 19 years behind bars. He was deported immediately and hasn't returned to Asia since, at least, not officially. Now in his 80s, he remains out of the reach of Nepalese authorities and is quietly residing back in Paris. The man once dubbed the Serpent now walks free his public life, replaced by the anonymity of a Parisian existence. His notoriety remains, but his freedom highlights the strange laws of time, health, and criminal justice. What do you think? Should someone with his past be barred from public life forever, or allowed quiet closure? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on crime legends and their stories. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.